Hello, let's take a look today at this Bahco 396 model Laplander folding saw, which is a really popular folding saw among hunters, bushcrafters, campers, and they even use this in the military. Let's take it out of the box and later also test it against a traditional heavy-duty saw. One really nice thing about this saw is that it's not crazy expensive saw. And it's made in Sweden, which is really close where I live, so it's really nice to test something that is made close. Well, let's go outside and do a little testing with this folding saw against this traditional heavy-duty wood cutting saw that is quite new also, so the blades are still really sharp. Here we have green wood, which has been just recently cut down, and then we have really dry wood, which is excellent for fireplace, for example. It's really dry. I will first use this traditional wood saw, and then we use this Bahco Laplander folding saw. Let's start with the green wood. And cut a small piece. And let's take time also. How long does it take to cut a piece? Just a small piece here. And then we try with the Bahco Laplander. This is the first time I'm using this, so really interesting to see how effective this is. I try to use same power as with the traditional wood saw. Okay, let's start the test with the Bahco Laplander. Still looks like brand new. This was the first piece we cut off with the traditional wood saw. This is the ones we use the Bahco Laplander. The cut is really clean with the Bahco saw, as it was with the bigger saw. So let's try with the dry wood also. This should be really easy to cut. Now let's first try with this bigger saw. And then we try with the Bahco. The cut is also really clean. So with the bigger saw, the cut time was about 25 seconds faster when cutting this green wood, and with the dry wood difference was not so big. But to be honest, is it fair to compare these two against each other, because this has like a really long blade and it's a heavy duty saw, and this is just a folding saw. It feels like this has really good price quality ratio. Small branches, this Bahco cuts like in no time, and the cut is really clean. I think we are done with the testing for today. It's about minus 20 Celsius here outside. So let's go inside and say few final words about this great folding saw from Bahco. In the package it says the weight of the saw, it's only 190 grams. So let's test that also. yeah, it's accurate. No wonder this feels really lightweight. You can also buy replacement blades for this model. So, final words about this folding saw. It feels really sturdy, robust. You can get a really nice grip when using it. It has a safety lock. It's really lightweight. You can easily put this into your backpack. Doesn't take much space. It's great for cutting both green and dry wood. So overall, this is excellent folding saw from Bahco. Thanks for watching and bye.